Imagine making money online just by reading emails. That will be very amazing, earning money again and again. With this method, so how much money you can really make? And alright, so if you read 10 emails, you can earn up to $50. Make that 20 emails and you can earn up to $150. And read 30 emails and you can earn up to $250. So finally, if you read 40 emails, you can earn up to $400. The method which I will be teaching you today is 100% free, which means you don't need to pay or invest any money at all to get started, and this method is absolutely free worldwide, so you don't have to worry if you are from outside the United States, because you can do this wherever you are in this world. So I want you to finish this video by the end, because somewhere in this video I will be sharing a strategy where you can earn up to double. And before we start, I want you to welcome to the Gain Access, where we will be teaching you how you can make money online with the simplest way and the fastest way. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell icon, so whenever we upload a brand new video on how to make money online, you can be updated and you can start to make things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions, concerns or opinions about this video, don't be shy, just leave a comment down below. I will be reading all the emails. Anyways, so the first step, I want you to go over thewindaily.com. This is the platform where you can earn money online just by answering surveys and get paid to take surveys online. But I will stop you right now there, because we won't be doing any survey in this video. What you are going to do is just read emails online now, and let me show you how something. And as you can see right here, it says that Windela has paid over $7 million to their members all over the world, and this website pays you in cash, not by point system, not gift card, but cash. I want you to take a look at this. Earn cash for every email you open and earn. Just for reading emails and getting paid, opt its reward mail in your email preference to open and view paid promotional messages. This is where you can earn money by simply reading emails online. Before we proceed, I want you to tell you that the sign up process for this website is little bit complicated, because this website only accept users from the United States, Canada, United Kingdom and Australia. You don't have to worry about even if you come from the outside these countries. For example, you have come from Philippines, Nigeria, India, Bangladesh or other countries, because I will be showing you a method where you can sign up for free. And even though you come from the different countries, I want you to watch and stay tuned this video so you can learn the reason why I wanted you to stay tuned. Is because when we come from this website, I don't want you to sign up immediately, because we still have to go to the other website before we proceeding to the sign up process. Okay, so again I will be telling you what you to do step by step, so you just sit back and relax while watching this video. I don't want you to sign up immediately, because we have to still go to another website before we proceeding to the sign up process. Okay, so again I will be telling you what you do step by step, so just sit back and relax while watching this video. Once again, you are logged into your account, and you will see 9 different categories, which are cars, truck, politics, current events, sports, home improvement, popular restaurants and new technologies, health and beauty, shopping and fashion, and even finally travel, etc. Now let me give you the first tip. If you read emails about shopping and fashion, health and beauty, these 2 categories will make you the most amount of money. So all you have to do is just read the emails from both of these categories right here. Whenever you pick these 2 categories, you will then see this. You can earn $10, you can earn $1 and even you can earn $3.5. But as you can see here, there are a lot of different options you can choose from. Alright, so I'm just showing you the options right here. Now going back to this website, earn cash for every emails you open. I want you to click on this link right here which says sign up and get paid to read emails. Click on that link and you will be redirected to this page right here. So you can sign up for free account right here, and but I want you to pay close attention and please listen to me. You're one step closer to getting paid for your opinions. Complete the remaining steps below and start earning today. If you do this correctly, you can even earn up to $25, but here's the catch. You have to sign up properly, so I want you to type in your email address, your first name and your last name. But before we proceed, I want you to take precautions, okay? Because this is where the secret strategy which I will be teaching you will come in the options. Here are only the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom and Australia. Before we proceed with this step, I want you to go over to google.com and search for random list. If you click on search, you will be able to find the first website which loads here in Google result. Random list for the random generator for everything. Click on the link where here on the website, and you will be able to find an option which is addresses. You then see this random generator. Generate a fake United States address, complete with this street, city, state, zip codes, but be careful though, some of these could end up being real addresses, so this one right here is what we are going to use. Okay, so when you click on this, you will see then random addresses which you can use, but before you proceed, I want you to scroll down a little bit and then you're able to see this. There is a edit settings, so click on this and you will be see a drop down panel. These are the option of California addresses, Canadian, Florida, London, New York, Texas and UK. This is a part is very critical and I want you to select Canadian address. So after clicking that option, you will then see a different addresses which will load here, and these are all generated randomly. As you can see, we can use all of these addresses to sign up, and you can enter any of these addresses to your sign up process. Now let's proceed with the sign up process. What I want you to do is next to select the country which is Canada. The next step we are going to do is we are going to come back to the random list generator and we are going to copy one of these addresses right here. So you can just copy whatever you like and paste it on your sign up form. If you are quite confused about this process, you can always rewatch this video or you can just rewind it so you can fully understand the process. After that, you will put your date of birth here in your ethnicity. I want you to click on Caucasian or white. Next, you have to create your own password and confirm it. Make sure to agree and term of the condition and the privacy and policy of this website, and that's it. After that, click on continue to the next page. They will say this, please complete the following concept form. In order to continue membership, what you need to do is check provide consent to all of these boxes here. Make sure you tick all of these 4 boxes if you have followed me throughout the whole video, and if you did all of these steps, then you are able to make $1 more as of now, and this $1 is just upon signing up for free. On top of all that, you have just unlocked up to $50 of high paying service. The people who didn't follow my procedure will just earn about $1 to $5. But now that you followed me and now that we completely signed up, then we are able to earn up to $50 per survey. So if you done signing up, then you can do this. Right now you have officially unlocked other surveys which could make you up to $25. Again, the sign up process is a bit tricky, but if you do my secret tips, then you are going to earn a lot of now. I want you to visit this website where we can see that the people all over the world are making money using this method. And as you can see, there are a lot of people right here who are loving this method or this website, because this website has really helped them, especially now during the quarantine. This is a really big help to everyone. You can also get paid by answering surveys, referrals, and watching paid videos. This method is easy and you can do this even if you're still beginner. If you are looking for a ways to make money online, I can recommend you this. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell icon, smash it, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.